Well, we have another question here, question 8. The question says that a function h of x equal to negative 2x cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d cuts the x-axis at negative 3, 0, negative 3 over 2, 0, and 1, 0. Now, the question says 8.1 says show that h of x equal to negative 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 9. Now, let me first write the question over here, 8.1. So we're looking for, basically, we need to prove that the function h is negative 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 9. Okay? Now, in other words, b is negative 7, c is 0, and d is 9. But another thing we need to consider is that when they say the function cuts the x-axis at this point, okay, this means that the x coordinates that we see here are the zeros of the function, okay, because it means when x is equal to negative 3, the function will be 0. When it is negative 3 over 2, the function will be 0. When it's 1, the function will be 0. So, excuse me, we can write h of x in terms of its intercept form, which is like a open bracket x minus x1 close bracket x minus x2 close bracket, and then x minus x3 close bracket, where x1, okay, x2, and then x3 are all they're all intercepts. All of them are intercepts. Okay, intercepts. To be more precise, x-intercept. Okay, we will going to substitute these values into the intercepts here, the negative 3, all this in the function, and then the a is the leading coefficient, meaning the coefficient of the highest, the variable with the highest exponent, so negative 2 is a. Then we can write here h of x will be equal to there write negative 2, okay, a. Instead of writing a, I'm gonna say negative 2, and then that will be like x. Okay, I'm gonna do this way, x, and then x there, and then x there also. Over here, I'm gonna substitute now the values x1. Here, x1 is negative 3. It's actually negative 3. Now there's a minus here. Minus negative 3 will make plus 3. So here it's gonna be plus 3. Now for the following, the next also, x2 is negative 3 over 2. So this will become positive, because minus negative will make positive 3 over 2, and then minus 1 for the last one here. Now, we can extend this, okay, as we used to do in the previous grade. So this will be like h of x. Okay, let me just write it over here. On the right here, h of x. This will be, you know, I'll keep negative 2 out there, and then this will be like, we will do like x times x, and then x times 3 over 2, and then 3 times x, and then 3 times 3 over 2. So this will become like x times x makes x squared, and x times 3 over 2 makes plus 3 over 2x, and then 3 times x makes 3x, and then 3 times 3 over 2 makes 9 over 2, close bracket, and then times x minus 1. Now we're going to do the same thing, okay? Meaning we're going to take each term here times with x, and then times with negative 1. Now let's do it. This will become negative 2. Okay, negative 2 will be here outside the bracket. Now x squared times x makes x cubed, okay? X squared times negative 1 makes negative x squared, okay? And then 3 over 2 x times x makes positive 3 over 2x, and then 3 over 2x times negative 1 makes negative 3 over 2, and then 3x times x makes positive 3x squared, and then 3x times negative 1 makes negative 3x, and then 9 over 2 times x makes positive 9 over 2 x, and then 9 over 2 times negative 1 makes negative 9 over 2, close brackets. Now let's see if we can simplify the terms here. The terms that end with x cubed, we only have 1 here, so I can just write x cubed. And then the terms that ends with x squared, we have like 1 here, and then another is there, and then the terms that ends with x squared, those are the only two. Okay, excuse me. So um um oops, okay, here I missed. It was 3 over 2. I said it, but I didn't write it. 3 over 2x times x makes 3 over 2x squared. And then 3 over 2x here times negative 1 makes 3 over 2x. There is an x here. Okay, now I was saying the terms that end with x squared. Um,